Welcome to our section on cruise control. Now, to check your vehicle's got cruise control, if you look at the primary display at the bottom left hand corner, there is a cruise control icon. Now, all new Actros and Arocs have it as standard. One other thing you might notice, we're in a left hand drive vehicle. The controls for it are on the left hand side. On a right hand drive vehicle, obviously they'll be the opposite way around. To activate cruise control, it's simply a case of pressing the set button. This maintains the speed at which you set the cruise control at. If you wish to accelerate, press the up button, and if you wish to decelerate, then press the minus button. You can switch it off by either pressing the off button here or putting your foot on the brake. Pressing the resume button brings the vehicle back to the last stored speed. Now, there is a fourth button, which is a speed limiter button. You press this, and whatever speed you press it at, you cannot go above that. So for instance, if you press that at 50 miles an hour, then the vehicle, no matter what you do with your right foot in terms of the acceleration, it will never go above 50 miles an hour.